Welcome to your dream getaway at 42 Alder in Whitefish, Montana. Imagine waking up in the mountains surrounded by nature. This stunning condo is located on one of the top producing ski resorts in northwestern United States, letting you hit the slopes in minutes. Modern interiors, cozy living spaces, and top-notch amenities make it the perfect retreat. Ptarmigan Village is a special community that consists of condominiums located about halfway up the coveted Whitefish Mountain Ski Resort. Enjoy all the extra perks offered in this established HOA, which include tennis courts, pools, hot tubs, a fishing pond, community beach on Whitefish Lake, barbecue areas, and event center. Let's go take a tour of this newly renovated condo. This dwelling stands out with recent upgrades that include new engineered hardwood flooring, interior paint throughout including wood accents, kitchen and bathroom cabinetry, as well as flooring, light fixtures, appliances, furniture, decor, and an outdoor barbecue. Being sold turnkey means you can easily make this updated condo your own personal property or a strong income producing investment without any additional effort. Whitefish Mountain Ski Resort's plentiful winter and summer recreation give way to a year-round lifestyle of outdoor adventures accessible right out your front door. If you're ready to enjoy year-round activities and the vibrant town of Whitefish right at your fingertips, then 42 Alder is what you've been waiting for. To schedule an exclusive showing, please give myself or your trusted realtor a call today. I'm Naldrett with Keller Williams Realty and Hidden Homes Montana. We'll see you again soon.